Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to transfer money using BPI online in 2025. With the latest updates, BPI has made banking even more secure and user-friendly, so whether you're sending cash to a family member or paying bills, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the BPI online app or website ready on your device. Start by opening the app and logging in with your username and password. For added security in 2025, you'll likely see a biometric verification step, like fingerprint or facial recognition. Go ahead and complete that to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Transfers section. It's usually right on the main menu for easy access. Here, you'll choose the type of transfer you want to make. Options might include transferring to another BPI account, to a different bank via InstaPay or PesoNet, or even international transfers with real-time currency conversion tools. Next, select the account you'd like to transfer from, double-check your balances to avoid any surprises. Then, enter the recipient's details, like their account number or email if it's a BPI to BPI transfer. Don't forget to add the amount and any reference notes for your records. In 2025, BPI might prompt you for a quick transaction review, including estimated fees and processing time, so take a moment to verify everything. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll be asked to authorize the transfer with a one-time PIN sent to your registered mobile number. This extra layer keeps your money safe from fraud. Once approved, you'll get a confirmation message almost instantly. Bam, you're done. A few quick tips. Always keep an eye on transaction limits, which might have increased in 2025, and enable notifications for real-time alerts. If you run into any issues, the BPI Help Center has 24/7 chat support. There you have it, folks. Transferring money with BPI online is straightforward and secure. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.